I like trains.
Hello everyone, let's take a look at this video of CSX 3194. Got Old Main Productions right there. Let's check out that 3194. There it is. That RS5T horn. E700 empty coal train. This train actually originated in Georgia and it's going to Newell, Pennsylvania. Kind of an inefficient journey, but whatever, I'm very glad it goes through here. The rain has stopped. I'm very happy about that. Showing no signs of slowing down. Oh, there's a DPU. Interesting. $32.07. Going about 45 miles an hour. You know, fun fact, about 2 years ago, 3194 was leading at the time Q331, pulled through here, and it struck someone. So that was interesting. Anyways, there it goes. Thank you for watching. Thank you all police officers for what you do, and here at Covert Road Crossing with Old Main Productions, who is here in Pennsylvania with me. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.